Hi guys, good to be here with you again to another video, and it's also great to have you guys here for another video. So guys, what I want to share with you guys basically is what happened to me yesterday. Yesterday I did a cash out, right? So what happened? I did a Matic cash out. So yesterday I had $2 in my account. I could cash out, think $2.26 or 20 something cents, right? And I was able to cash out. I could have chose Litecoin, which is $2 also, Tether or Matic. I decided to go with Matic, and that's another reason why I always share with you guys about transferring um your cryptocurrency and just knowing the network that you're cashing out to, because if you cash out to a wrong network, the cryptocurrency is gone. I always explain to you guys in most of my videos that when it comes to cryptocurrency, right, once you send it, it's already on the blockchain. It cannot be reversed. Even if what you send doesn't make sense, it's just going to be sent. I can give you guys an option where I was uh, introducing basically the money making app Bling Financial to a family member for the first time, and they played the game, played the game, and they had a lot of satoshis. And it was in 2022. Yeah. So in 2022, Bling Financial was like the money making app to go to if you want to earn satoshis, right? You earn a lot of satoshis over there. And a family member of mine, they stocked a lot of stats, a lot of stats, and they didn't really understand how to cash out from the platform. They just put in an email, but the email that they put in wasn't linked to, I don't know what happened, but it's like the email that they put in, because I guess you have to put in an email to send out your stats. And I guess I don't know what happened, but they put in an email to send the stats out to Coinbase or something like that, and the stats just go to an email, that email, and the email didn't have an account, and that was just it. It just went to that email, but the email doesn't have an account. So I don't know how that goes, but that's what happened. That's what they said happened, that they send it to an email, but the email doesn't. They don't have a Coinbase account, and I'm saying like, how you don't have a Coinbase account and you're sending it to a email? They were saying that they're sending it to their email, but they don't have a Coinbase account with that email. So guys, that was shocking. So basically, since then, I've always been very, very careful, even though there are multiple cases of me sending cryptocurrency and never see it from money making apps. Just send it, and either I did something wrong or I messed up on the the transfer or something. So that is the reason why I always stick to like the blockchain, the token that has one chain. Like Bitcoin has like one chain, Litecoin has that one chain. Even though on some earning platform they do have other chains. So but majority of cash out apps, they just have that one chain, right? That one network rather, guys, one network. So I'm gonna share with you guys what I mean when I said network. So you guys can see here it says we are on Matic, right? Okay, we're supposed to be on Matic. I don't know why the blue line is not going over it. Anyway, right? So here we're on Tether. We're gonna use Tether, and you can see that Tether has three network here. When you're sending the cryptocurrency, the token Tether, right? So let's say I have $2 Tether and I'm gonna send it. I have to make sure that I'm sending it when I'm getting my address, the public address which I'm gonna send it to, when I'm getting that address, right? It has to match the same network that I'm gonna send here. So let's say I want to go with the Polygon network. Everything has to match up. The address that I'm taking from the money making app which I'm sending it to, or the wallet I'm sending it to, have to be Polygon. And here I have to press Polygon. So what happened yesterday, I was sending Matic, right? And the you can see it send, but I didn't receive it. I don't know what happened. Like I know what happened. What happened is I'm telling you what happened, right? Yeah, that's what happened. So what think that happened, which I'm like 90% happened, is that I choose the wrong network. So even though it's the same address, but just the network is different. And if the network, it doesn't matter the address. If the network is different, you're gonna have a different you're gonna that token is going somewhere else. Who knows where it's going, but it's not going to the you everything has to match up, right? So on the wallet that I was sending this Matic to, this $2.28, can you guys can see the date? Where's the date? The date is the 17th, right? Today is what? The 17th, right? Yeah. So I was sending it in the middle of the night. Okay, so I send it and I was waiting. It was saying processing. Then I realized it says paid, like successful. So it's gone through, but I haven't got it. And normally when I do this cash out, I see my earnings in my wallet like in the next like 2 3 minutes, tops 5 minutes, right? Because I've do this so often, I know how long it's gonna take. So yeah. So after that, I realized something. I realized that I send it on a Polygon network, but the address that I put, it was a, I think it was a 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 CR220, something like that, CR220 network. So it was a ECR220 or ACR220. I think it was a ECR220 network, the ECR220 network. Let me see if I can find that network here. No, that network is not here. Exactly my point. That network is not here. In the Polygon, in the Matic um option, because it's not going over to Matic and I don't know why. Just stuck on the tether, right? There isn't that network. So once I send it now, I realize, oh my gosh, when I went to check, it was the ERC um 220 or 260 network. And I was like, oh my gosh. So now that earnings is just gone. Like I'll never see that again. And that's the reason why I wanted to do this video, to share with you guys that just be mindful when you're sending your cryptocurrency, especially if you are earning with money making apps. And because earning with money making apps, every little counts. A cent count, a dollar counts, even $2, it really does count. And you guys can see how long here it has taken me to cash out. So I cashed out on the 5th of April, and then it takes me another, say, 2 weeks. 2 weeks. I will just run it off to 2 weeks, right? Before I'm able to cash out again. That's that takes it now. It's gonna take me another 2 weeks again before I'm able to get that $2 back. But we're not fussing, we're not fighting. This happens to me more than one time. This is not the first time. So I understand these things happen when it comes to earning with money making app. And this is the reason why I always say to you guys, check. Check your network. I always say that to you guys, and now look what happened, right? Check your network. that you're going to send your tokens to, make sure everything is the same, make sure everything lines up, especially in the next few months. Let's say you decided that you want to go ahead and take profit. Maybe the market goes up. Not maybe, the market will goes up and you want to take profit, right? Make sure you guys check the network. If it's any video that you watch, listen when I speak these words. Check the network of the token that you're sending to another wallet, and make sure that everything is the same so that your earnings can go to your wallet. Because if you do that, you're gonna, if it's like $100, you're gonna scream. So just know that uh, um, this can happen. Once you are aware that this can happen, this happens like a few times with me, and because I'm aware, I I I am calm about it. But if you're not aware that it can happen, you're not gonna be like too calm. You're gonna feel bad about that. Okay, so um yeah, so because of that, I did a video yesterday. I was sharing with you guys how I was gonna um like basically stake my token, and I had all these plans that I'm gonna do with my $2, and I was just like, I know $2 is gone. But not to worry. What we're gonna do, we're gonna work twice as hard this 2 weeks so we can make two times that. And the reason why I say that is because I have another cash out that I'll be cashing out very, very soon. This cash out has taken me a while. And the reason why it has taken me a while is because I have no backup earning tool. Normally, when I'm earning with this platform, I will use the Loot TV, which is now changed over to the Cheddar TV, to give me a little boost of earning so I can cash it out more fast. But now there's none of that. The only thing I have on my hand right now is the hourly claim. And that's just creeping, not even walking. This earning method is just creeping. But nevertheless, we're going to be able to cash out $3 in tokens. I would say Litecoin, right? And we're gonna use that. We're gonna do work with that. We're gonna set some trades with that. See, here I go again making plans, right? Because that's what I do. That's how I never like hold the money. I keep it going. Okay, so what we're gonna do with this $3. Let me just do this first, guys. So they want the mountains are hills. So all the mountains and the hills. This is not a mountain or a hill. No, not. I'm gonna just do this. Okay, so guys, we're gonna make plans. So in the next 2 weeks, which is a similar time for the money making app Bytelixir is gonna cash out. I'll be cashing out. So instead of me cashing out $2, I'll be cashing out $5. With this $3 and that um $2, it will be $5 US. So we're gonna use both those, and we're gonna send them to different platforms, and we're gonna set some trades. It's been a while I set any trades. I did set a few trades. I think about a 7 cent and a 4 cent Bitcoin and Ethereum, along with I think I was a 21 XN one and another XN and another, but those got liquidated, and I haven't checked my account to see what's going on, how much money I have in all those accounts. But guys, next month end is where we're gonna start to set some trades, and I'm gonna show you guys how I'll be doing that, God's willing. So yes, guys, so just want you to tune in to my channel continuously and just continue to earn with me and grow with me. I hope you guys have been stacking Satoshi. As I always say, guys, that's a must. That's a daily. If it's even 10 per day, that's the minimum I give myself, even though sometimes you're not there, but we still continue to just stack. Even though we don't cash out, we're still earning on the platform. We just need that extra boost to cash out so we can know that we are locked in. Guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for liking. If you're new to my channel, what I do here, I share with you guys how I earn on the side online with get paid two sides and money making apps. So yeah, before I go, guys, just want to say always remember, never forget, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye, guys.